Make this bitch do what it do with the traction. Nah.
She was feeling me, I cut her off, now she got 4 senses. 5 ain't in the back, so turn around, I need my pro spinning. We got bro with toss on every stop sign, they don't listen. You gon' smoke, then pull up to my door, we don't do no mention. Hello bad bitches everywhere, I talk to 2 minutes. I'm stingy with my money, if you owe me, pay that 1 penny. Do your slime, you off for a bag of pill, my killer dope fiendin'.
I'm scared, y'all, I ain't gonna lie. This nigga driving reckless.
XDZ this body, stay on point, I never seen them blink. Stay focused, now I'm rolling. 38 came with no host. We got 6 inside this spin again, we left them open. Shotty off that potion, she get sad, she crawls. Buy 50 round, mad, then let it off, we killed this home. I get bread like so money, man, I do it for invest. She said lose the advantage mode, pull up on me, don't do no text. She see me real, then I'ma text it. Sit up, bitch, then it get hit. Mentally, I'm
all I can't see too. He smoked this bitch out. Oh shit. Damn, I can't breathe.
I don't know if y'all can see that shit. I can't even zoom in, but nigga just put $40 in this bitch. You know that really ain't shit, but that bitch be swallowing gas. And get what? That bitch on full damn there. Goddamn, I'm finna push up on the guys and shit, see what they got going on. I gotta do some little shit to my car. I'm gonna get back at y'all there as soon as I pick that camera up. But my brother, my cousin jacket right there.
Wow! What color that jacket is?
It's blue.
Fuck. Who went for that big nigga? Ain't no goddamn big.
But Mike, shut your dumb ass.
No. He got a man back there. What's up? No. I give you a rib.
Hey.
No.
Wet cat CAMARO, your dick out there. Mario, you a bitch, home.
Beep, 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 beep. Pussy nigga.
Let's stay at one of them.
It gotta be an RT. That's an RT twin. That's a DC. It gotta be an RT.
Man, we here to argue, bro.
It's an RT, nigga.
That ain't no RT. Michael.
Hey, hold it, big. Hey, hold it, big.
Mustang, fuck them. Got that 3-7 bitch.
He ain't got nothing but a fucking resonator. You heard that bitch?
Don't slide that bitch, man. Nigga looking scared out this bitch.
I can't find over there.
I don't see them.
That bitch don't work for us.
Oh, all right, you don't want to spin though, nigga. You don't want to do that now. We can have a spin competition out there, bitch. Nigga ain't just trying to race. You ain't trying to have a spin competition out there, bitch. Sliding, I mean, my dumb ass. over with.
Oh, 6, I know you ain't going out like that.
Hey, I'm not. I'm scared. I ain't gonna lie.
That nigga still got tricks though.
Man, or something. Shit. He ain't got it all the way, y'all. He ain't got it all the way out there.
Young boy. Ooh, give me gas, Tom.
God. And they got police too. Am I tripping? Take the fucking glasses off. Y'all niggas can't have shit. Where y'all at, twin?
Shit, I'm turning on both sides, man.
Where y'all finna go? Just follow everybody else?
I don't know, shit. I ain't gonna lie.
So shit, we at the next meet, goddamn. Move the motherfucking location, goddamn. Let's start shooting at the lab, bitch. Coming through this bitch hot. Nigga have been out hitting me. Damn. Oh shit, probably finna get busy on both. Slide that bitch, man. Show his ass what that Nissan bitch do, man. For the YouTube. Get active. Get active. Ah, shit.
No!
Slow your ass down. Hell no. Hell no. Hold on. Hold on. Slide that bit. No, turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Get that bit of little slide. Come on. Come on, get that bit of little 1-2 twin on nation. Yeah. Ah, just a little 1-2 twin. You ain't gotta do too much on both. That nigga Mud just leave the Nissan, man. What, you scared, Mario? No. Yeah, don't be scared. Don't see it. Hold on. Shit.
Hey, bitch, get me.
On ball 12. Okay. That bitch said don't slide me. Oh yeah, they right here. I like them. On ball. Not that vape shit though. Who hit the worst bit?
You fucked the hip hole, bro.
Ooh.
I did too. Oh,
Ain't nothing wrong with no big bitch, bro. You ain't finna keep doing that. On ball.
You ain't dicks on car. Nigga done fucked the hip hole, man.
Watch your ain't dicks on car.
So where you dick though?
I done wrong with no big bitch, bro.
On ball. On ball, he lying. He never fucked no
Tell his ass, KJ.
On ball, he lying. Look, on shit, the nigga be fucking shit, they finna break.
Fucking shit that's finna break.
And he texting one right now as we speak. Nah, don't put it up.
He talking about money
Nah,
now.
don't do it, man.
So that's how you cover?
Hey, man, cause you coming the other way, bro.
Let's go. Let's go hoe for hoe.
I'm trying to hit the
then.
right, he trying to hit the left, cool.
Let's go hoe for hoe.
Fuck a hoe for hoe, I'm gonna tell you, dude. We went to low for low.
Oh,
boss
we can.
boss we
Oh, shit.
can.
Put it on the floor.
Nigga, ooh.
Put it on the floor.
Man, don't make me pull up this big page.
On 6. On boss. I swear to Jesus, nigga. Nigga, one time, nigga can name one time for me. On 6, I can name 4 of them bitches,
Oh,
nigga.
God.
And it's on 6.
Oh, God.
Not really
So you
40.
ain't fuck a bitch smell like cigarettes?
I got some money in my pocket. What is this, some money? Oh, damn. See?
On me, the man smoking bitches that smell like cigarettes
On
and shit.
Nation, man, folks, sniper pussy ass bitch. It still went in.
Mommy, what's that smell?
On 6. Nigga, stop playing. Alright, chill out.
Oh, God, I'm finna go to the max. Straight there. Oh, God.
But on 6, you be fucking shit, they finna break. I don't know what the fuck you talking about.
Parking garage.
They say anything.
No, I ain't say shit.
They say,
KJ? What you be doing?
They say after 12, somebody think they digging anything.
Who girl you supposed to be? Everybody. Who nigga you supposed to be? I said nigga. Let me stop bullshitting.
You trying to play me? Let me see.
No, but where the hoes at? Then you can see this bitch.
I don't know. What's up, mine?
What up? I see that ass nigga.
I'm finna go. I'm finna go get this.
No, you not.
Man, you don't knock my head out like this.
Say hey to the vlog.
No, you not.
Hey, put me in that room.
Huh? Who finna leave? No.
So y'all here. We got Kiki.
Weekend.
Who? He got Gary. They go Gary with these big ass glasses. Gary never have a. Where my man at?
Oh, next month to get started off first.
Who is mine? Why it's so dark?
Oh,
Let me see it's gonna be dark.
I toot some shit up.
You toot some shit up.
Yeah, good food.
Oh, Mike, you need to stop. Wait, Mike, you didn't say that the last time. You said you weren't there. You said you weren't there, Mike. Mike, you said you weren't there.
That bitch bring me my name.
Y'all, when y'all see Gary, Mike, Kiki, and Mike, ask them what happened on February 27th. What happened on February 27th? Y'all, we got all the fast shit outside, all the fine niggas.
See, money, Mike can change their ass on February 27th. That what happened. What you finna slide that bit up? Crazy. They do it. Man, see, we can box. I said, boy. It's race. Oh, God, y'all ass too fast.
Y'all better go, cause I got my camera recording.
Your camera. You might as well not even.
Start some fine shit up in this corner. Where yours? And there go fucking Greg, weird ass. Greg, weird
I
ass.
say I like you.
Greg, what you was talking shit on that phone earlier?
That must be talking about what happened on February 27th. Look at this man, bro. He just snuck out this bitch. Look at him. I want to know snuck out this bitch.
You was talking to our money. Who's that young face?
Don't do me like that, nigga. I'm sick. I told you I was coming. Come on, man. I told you I was coming. You gonna do me like that?
I'm a good fan. Ah, shit. Beautiful.
You messy as fuck. No, let my camera go. Oh, you got a big camera.
Get your dick right ass on, man. I don't see it, bro. Damn. Yo.
He don't talk to y'all?
He living his own life.
All your hoes out here.
Is that been happy and shit?
What about you, Gary?
My nigga ain't been stressed out. But we ain't really got
Say it
no
again.
hoes,
Say it again. I'm gonna show you.
though. You can't have hoes if you singing like that right there. I'll just be having fun.
Why y'all got y'all whole chest tatted and stuff?
Y'all just want some attention.
Musty ass.
Bro, if I want to get my dick sucked, I'll just do it.
Gary.
I'm trying to go crazy. It ain't even late yet, on God, it's 11:24. That nigga said it ain't late. I'm gonna go beat my beat.
Ain't been that nigga calling.
You think I do what?
Bro, cut that flash on.
No, cause the camera too dark.
Baby mama straight flush. American, I comedian on.
This is Gary without the glasses, y'all.
Damn, this a garbage ass, okay? I ain't gonna lie.
This shit got
Y'all is, and I'm tired of on this vlog too. Oh God.
By the way, so I can't pay for it. Hey, yeah, we pay 50 cents an hour.
50 what an hour? I've been holding this camera. Can you put me in your vlog? Hey y'all, we at the traffic meet or whatever.
Traffic meet. I told you, good.
And we just here with, I don't know them. Did you turn the camera off on me? And we just here with Gary, Jay, what's your name? And glasses. So, yeah.
switch your glasses. Like,
Yep, he wearing Gary glasses.
I'm out. Like, I'm out.
So, y'all, we gonna see y'all later. Record everybody on this vlog. Huh?
Let the ball go.
What you say, boy?
Everybody got to carry their stick outside. Bro, get that flash out my face on game.
And what a hole is it? Yeah.
You need your camera back? You can get the phone. I want this.
Oh, nah, you ain't getting shit. That ain't mine on Nation. That's his.
Whose? Yours?
Get that out my face.
Say hey to the vlog.
Yeah, not I ain't gotta say hey. I think I show my face. I'll be I'm trying to multitask in this bit. Shit.
We got 6 inside this sprinter. Spin again, we left him open. Shot it